Hello student, myself Shraddha Kapartiwar teaching in LPSAVANI VIDHYABHAVAN. Today we will start chapter number 8 Decimals. Definition of decimal. A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000 or some other power of 10. What is the whole numbers? The position of a digit within a number indicate the value of the digit. The further the digit is to the left of a number, the larger the place value. For example, unit place, tens place, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. Here each place to the left of another has a value of each 10 times larger. Each place to the right has a value which is 1/10 of a previous position. Now here is the decimal place value chart. Here the indication black point is known as a decimal point and green numbers are indicate decimal points and blue numbers are indicate whole numbers. Here 15.4759 is read as. Decimal number is read as 15.4759. As we know that in decimal place value chart there are whole number and decimal number. The decimal part, the value of the positions to the left and right of the decimal point are known and as shown in the table below. Now decimal place value. Decimal shows the part of a whole. The decimal point separates the ones place and the tenths place. The decimal says the word and. Representing decimals on the number line. We can represent decimals on a number line as a rational numbers. And what is meant by the rational number that we have already studied in previous video. We divide each unit of the number line into tenths, hundreds and thousands. And then we find the image point of the decimals. Now here tenths, tenths, tenths means 1/10, hundreds means 1/100 and thousands means 1/1000. Here some decimal models of tenths. Here blue line shaded out of 10. That means 1/10. One line is shaded. So, in decimal point, we can represent it as 0.1. What is the relation between the equivalent and in decimal? Some decimals such as 0.1 and 0.10 have the same value. 0.1 means 1/10 and 0.10 means 10/100. These decimal 0.1 and 0.10 are equal. Decimals that are equal are called equivalent. So we can say that 0.1 and 0.10 are equal. Now next is the decimal model for the hundreds. Here hundreds box out of 100, one part is shaded and shaded part is denoted by blue color. So it can written as in fraction 1/100 and in decimal it is written as 0.01. For example, this 42 hundreds, that means 0.42. Here again out of 100, 42 parts are shaded and it is indicated blue line, blue colors. So it is written as in fraction 42 upon 100 and in decimal part it can written as 0.42. And the next is 3 integer 7 by 10. Here the 3 blue boxes are there. They are completely blue, that means they are whole. And out of 10 lines, 7 are shaded. So it can be written as 7 by 10. 3 whole and 7 by 10. So it can be written as 3.7. And in fraction, the name is 3 integer 7 by 10. Now comparing decimals on number line. Here the number is 5.1 and 5.8. According to red arrow, 5.1 is indicated and 5.8 is also indicated. So when we moving to the right side, the decimal values are increases. As we moving from left to right, numbers are increases. So 5.1 is less than 5.8. Now next example of comparing decimal place value. 2.037 and 2.033. Line up decimal points. Start at left. Compare each place value. Here 2.037 and 2.033. According to place value, 2 is equal to 2, 0 is equal to 0, 3 is equal to 3, but 7 is greater than 3. So 7 and 3 are not equal. So 7 thousandths greater than 3 thousandths. Now ordering decimal place value. As we seen 19.48, 19.481 and 19.4. These three decimal numbers are unlike decimal. First of all, for comparing decimals, we have to make like decimal. How to make the like decimal? 19.480, 19.481 and 19.400. Here zeros are indicate red colors that they are added to become the like decimal. And the next topic is adding and subtracting decimals. To add or subtract decimals, you must line up the decimals or to make a like decimal. Here the numbers are 5.21, 32.1 and 800. So for the addition and the subtraction decimals, we have to line up line wise. For example, 4.55 plus 11.3. First put the first number on the top of the second number and line up the decimal. So the number is 4.55 plus 11.30. You can add a 0 to help keep everything line up. That means we have to make like decimal. When we adding or subtracting, you must start from right and work left. So the addition of 4.55 plus 11.30. 5 as it is. 5 plus 3, 8, 4 plus 1, 5 and 1 as it is. So the addition is 15.85. Now the subtracting. 5.34 minus 2.08. The rule is same for addition and subtraction. Put the first number on the top of the second number and line up the decimal. 5.34 minus 2.08. That means 4 minus 8 is not possible. So 4 become 14 and 14 minus 8 is 6. So 3 become 2. So 2 minus 0 is 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3.26.